In the last video, I showed you how to upload your ebook on your Stan Store, and I went through explaining to you what Stan Store is. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually sell your ebook online. So many of us have created so many books and we don't have sales because we don't know how to go about it. One of the easiest way to sell your ebooks online is to create a flipbook. It's to create a flipbook just like this. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to create your own flipbook. I've gone ahead and I've made a template for an ebook just like this, just so that I can use it as an example to show you how to do it. I have this template on my Stan Store and it's just about $3. If you have created your ebook and you don't know how to put it into an ebook like this is just $3. You can go ahead and buy it, and then you are going to put it into your ebook and it's going to turn into a book just like this. So now that we have our ebook, assuming that you've already created your ebook, I've already done this video showing you step by step how to create an ebook. So now the next step, I just want you to come here to where it says share, and now come here to where it says see all, and now scroll down just like this, and then you are going to see this Heyzine Flipbooks. Click on it just like this. It's going to give you some number of pages. You can just come here. You can take out any page you don't want. Maybe, for example, I don't want so many introduction on my flipbook. You know, I'm just going to take all of that out and then I'll leave this one. Now I can go ahead and take in and put in whatever I want. So you can put in all the other pages on your book, or if you want everything, you just go ahead and highlight here and it's going to put everything for you. So now when you are done, you click here on done. So I've highlighted all my 26 pages in my ebook. Now I'm just going to come here to save. Heyzine is going to generate our flipbook for us. So now the next thing I want you to do, don't make any mistake to go here. Come here and click here view. Our ebook is ready. It's going to ask us if we want to register or if we want to close. So let's just go ahead and close, and then you come here, you click here to look at our ebook. So this is our flipbook that we have just created. You see how easy it is. Overcomers, I can't wait to see what you create. So you see how the ebook is. You just go ahead, and if you use this template and you make your ebook, this is exactly how your ebook too is going to look. If you have many more pages, you can always add the number of pages. So you can come here to title and put a title for your flipbook. Let's say we put something here like Kingdom Coin. And when we share this book to people, they are going to see it appear here just like this. So if you don't want that, you just go ahead and change it from here. You don't want to show it, and then we just go ahead and close. So the type of page that you want to show. So right now we are seeing a magazine. You can come here and choose any type that you want. If you want a book, it's going to show differently. And all of these are different options that you can choose. When people receive this flipbook, what do you want them to see in the background? You can go ahead and upload anything that you want. Maybe you have your brand, you have a way that you present things in your brand. You can go ahead and do that. Or you can go ahead and change a color here, anything that you want. Let's say, see for example, if we take that yellow, look at how it looks. We can also come here and just pick any image that is here. Let's say we take this for example, so you can see how it looks. And now if we flip this book, so you can see how it looks. Now it's best to even take something that is related to the colors that are already there. It makes it look more attractive. So now the next thing is your logo. So you can put your logo here. So if you use this part for your logo, you are going to change this Heyzine Flipbook logo, and then you are going to put your own logo. In order for you to do that, you need to register. And then to ease the work of your readers, you can actually put a table of content like this. You can just go ahead, you can use tab just like that, and so you can put the things here so that people can just click here, and then they are going to be able to easily click and then go ahead and read their book. So if you do that, and then you just go ahead and fill the different pages here. So page, you put the different page number, and if you click on any one, let's say it was page 1, it's going to take us to page 1. So let's just go ahead and disable those. So we don't want any of that there right now. And then this one, password protection. So if you are sharing it to somebody and you just want people who have a particular password to be able to open the book, then you are going to put a password protection. So my advice is that just use one password. So when you use one password, let's say 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you give that same password to anybody, so it'll be easier for them. So if there is something about a PDF that you want to change, you can just come here, go ahead and replace the PDF. So something that is just so amazing is that You can also add links, you can add images, you can add videos, you can add audios, you can add web pages. So for example, how is that important? When I talk about many different streams of incomes, right? So let's assume that you created this ebook, and let's say you were showing your journey on weight loss, as I explained before. Now what will happen is that, what are the products that you use on your journey? So you can now start bringing affiliate marketing inside. So you can go to ClickBank. I've shown you in this video how to get affiliate links on ClickBank, and there are many different other platforms like Impact. You can go ahead and use and get affiliate links from those platforms. And now when you create your book like this, whatever thing that you are talking in your book, let's assume that you want to add an image, right? You are just going to come here, click on this thing that says image, then you just go ahead and draw it like this. So it will ask you to upload. You can go ahead and upload whatever image that you want to add here. Let's assume that this is the image I want to add. I'm just going to add it like this, and guess what? Our image is right there. Well, let's say wanted to add a video here, maybe just talking about something related to your book, maybe your journey. You can come here to video, and then you go ahead, you do the same thing here like this. It's going to ask you, let's say I'm just going to go to YouTube. I'm going to copy a video on my YouTube link, and I'll just paste it here. I'm just going to choose YouTube. So this is it. It has come right here. So what we can do is that if we stop editing, now when somebody look at your book, whatever thing that you are talking about in your video, you can click here and play it. People will be able to watch that video right here, and so it's going to be able to help them easily take action. So that means if you had a YouTube video, you were explaining something about your journey, you can put it right here inside your flipbook. You can now start circulating this flipbook on social media. First of all, it looks very attractive. It's going to attract many people to click on it. And now inside that book, they are going to see your affiliate links. Inside that book, they are going to see your journey. They are going to see your video. Inside that book, they are going to see any picture that you want to put in that book. So overcomers, this is life-changing. Let's say it's me selling my digital products on Stan Store, and I want to lead people to this product. Look at what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go to my Stan Store, and then I'm going to copy that exact product. Now I'll come here, because it's a link I want to insert. I'm going to come here to where it says link. Then I'm going to put my link here, right? And it's going to ask me. So now I'm just going to open a link, and I'm going to paste it here just like that. So what type of link it is, I'm just going to say it's a web link. So I'm going to click here, open on a new tab, so that when we click on it, customers can easily go to a different page. Now I'm just going to close. Let's go ahead and stop editing, and now let's come here. So you see what happens. I click there, and it brings me directly to my Stan Store. So when you are done with everything, you come here, you make sure every time you make any changes, you save, and then you come here to share. Now you have the link to your flipbook. You can go ahead and copy it just like this. So if you don't register, right, if you just do it without registering, after 1 week, you are going to lose the flipbook. So it's just going to be available online for 1 week. So you can do this completely for free, but just know that after 1 week, it's going to be deleted. And you can also create a QR code. You can download it, so you can do anything here. So when you copy this link, so let me show you how it's going to look. So when you share this link and people click on it, this is what will happen. So it's going to bring them down to your book, and now they can go ahead and open the book and just flip it like this, and now see the video is right here. They can go ahead and play the video, and it's going to play directly inside your book. Then you can go ahead and flip like this. Remember, we put our Stan Store here. When they click on that link, let's see what happens. It takes them directly to Stan Store. So overcomers, this is life-changing. This is how you can easily start making money by selling your ebooks. So if you don't yet have a Stan Store account, you can go ahead and watch this other video that I already showed you step by step how to do this, and then I have a link down below that you can use to join Stan Store. So like I said before, you can start completely for free. You just need to create an account, and you are able to make up 5 free flipbooks. To upgrade, in order for you to be able to change a logo, so you need to pay $4 a month. So the highest that any of us could need is the $4 a month, just because you want to remove the logo. You want to be able to put your own logo. So go ahead, let me know if you have any questions. Put in the comment section. I want you to go ahead and put in the comment section that creating flipbooks. Love you all so much. If this is your first time here, my name is Delphine Tamukong. My goal here is to help simplify the entire process for you making money online. I do my best to show you everything step by step, so that you know what actions to take at what point in time. If this is something that interests you and you have not yet subscribed, I want to encourage you to subscribe and become a part of the family. Go ahead and share the video with someone that you love, your brother, your sister, your cousin, so that they can also gain this amazing knowledge. So love you all so much, overcomers. I'm going to see you in the next video.
It's been a while since we laid down to reflect upon